Hello, and welcome to a tutorial, very simple, on what's called the open G tuning. Now, I'm lucky enough or unlucky enough to be able to not play the guitar very well, but the thing is, what I'm very good at is that you can tune the guitar in different ways, and because unlike the bass guitar where I've got muscle memory and everything, on the six string guitar, I'm not loyal to a particular shape because you can tune these things differently. And it means that you put the chords down in a different way. Now, this is what we call the open G tuning. And basically, it's most famous for the blues and what most of us would know as the Rolling Stones. So let me just do this. So there's a whole chord there, and then I can just put my finger down here, literally just one finger. Okay, and you literally get a chord. And it's the basis of blues and things like that. But what I just want to do now is show you. Now, I'm going to do what we call slide guitar, bottleneck. And this really is sort of, if you think of blues numbers, this is how it works. So you get the drift as to how that sounds. So it is that, which is amazing. But this is more important. Blow the neighbours for a couple of minutes. This is where the Rolling Stones come in, and this is what particularly Keith Richards uses as his signature sound. So when you try and play something like Honky Tonk Woman in a standard tuning, it doesn't work. Check this out. So you see, most of the time, I'm actually literally just doing, there's literally my index finger. So watch this. And that is incredible. And it is this whole thing about the tuning, which is... And that's basically how the Rolling Stones made their sound. So just for example, Gimme Shelter. And like the chorus. But seriously, it's a really different sound. Sorry, that's me cocking up. But the thing is as well with the open G is you can't put your elbow on the guitar. Like I said, just back to Honky Tonk again. Actually, that's better. And that's why Keith bends over. But it's I'll be honest with you, a lot of the time it's quite limiting. What we're going to do this time? Should we do... Oh no, I'll tell you what, we'll do this. You've got to be quite creative with it, but the thing is though that it really does encourage a great sense of rhythm. So it's fantastic fun, but seriously, as soon as you get this, and like I said, it's the only way you can play the song. So listen, I hope that's been a bit of fun, and just about hopefully, you know, I'm getting back playing and enjoying myself a lot more. So take care, bye bye.